Hello everyone, welcome back to CDP in Add Program for Beginners. So in this video we will see how we can implement gradient background to the action bar of Android's application. So we will break down it into 3 steps for a great remembrance. So let's just start without wasting time. First of all, what we will do, we will create the starting and ending color of the gradient, and after that we'll create the drawable layout which will be using those colors, and in the step 3, the coding part, we will gonna implement that drawable layout to the action bar. So first of all, let's just create two color elements and give it a name, angular bracket color name, gradient start color. Okay, that's it. Copy it so we can reuse it for the gradient ending color. Replace that start with end. So we will use two colors, and I have already saved them in my files, so don't worry about it. I'll provide you in the description of the video. So copy that and paste it in the color element, starting gradient color. We'll use it as starting color, and the second one will be used as ending color. Okay, so this is all for the step 1. Get to the second step. Here we will create the drawable layout file, give it a name, action, background, whatever you want. You can give your own choice, and change the root element from selector to shape. Okay, that's it. Click OK. This is the git log. Click on add. Here we'll create the gradient element, type gradient, and give it here the angle, the starting color, and the ending color. It will just take 3 attributes. So here, first of all, give it angle. Whatever you give it here, it will directly impact the orientation of your gradient. So you can give your own choice, but I will be using 0 degrees. And here we will give the starting color that we have just created in the color.xml file. Here we'll type end color, and we'll search out for color, gradient, and color. Okay, that's it. So this is all for that drawable layout file. We have just finished our second step. Now just get to the third step, the coding part, where we programmatically use that drawable layout and implement that gradient layout in the action bar. So let's just access our action bar and request from the Android X hierarchical tree classes androidx.appcompat.app.action bar. Give it some name, this variable, and get support action bar. Okay, in here access the get resources from the, so we can set the resource drawable layout on that action bar. So here we will access the set background drawable method from the action bar, and here we will give it the drawable layout by accessing it from the resource. For that, type get resource dot get drawable, and here we'll be giving it the path to the action bar bg.xml file that we have just created. So that's it. Finally give it the message that we don't want any message title on the action bar. So for that, type in here, this warning is just for some best practices. I'll be leaving it. We will see it in the later stages. So first, let's just disable that title from the action bar. For that, type get support action bar, and here set the display. Find out where is the set display show title enable. Here it is. Set that display show title enable method to false, because we don't want any title on the action bar. So this is all we have just done with the task. We have implemented the gradient. Let's just see the results. Okay, let me just prepare my AVD, and it will just take couple of minutes, or might be depending on your machine, or it might take some few seconds. Okay, it's just executed. Here you can see at the top action bar the gradient is applied. So how mesmerizing it is looking, and how precisely it is converting from dark to light color. The last thing that we left from the last tutorial is, let's just bring that IAMP intro from the top left corner to the center of the application. It's just one line solution. Get back to your main activity XML file, select that text view component, and type in here the layout center in parent and set it true. Okay, that's it. Here you can see it has just climbed down to the center of the screen. let's just see the results. Again executed. Oh, okay, so that's it. It just has executed and opened that application. Here you can see the message I am picking to has been climbed down to the center of the screen. So this is all for this video. If you find this tutorial informative, do subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to stick your problems or issues in the comment box. Thank you.